Okay, we're just going to look at how to multiply out brackets, or another word for it is expanding brackets. Okay, so expanding brackets. So if we, for example, had something like 3x plus 5x minus 7, how do we go about multiplying those out? There's a number of different kind of tricks, and one of the ones that I like to use basically is just get a pen or a line and basically split the first bracket down the middle. And basically what you do then is you say, okay, I'm going to take the 3x, which is to the left of that red line I've just made, and I'm going to multiply that by x minus 7. And then I'm going to take the other part of that first bracket that I split in two, making sure I take the sign as well, just this case is plus 5, and multiplying that by x minus 7 as well. Okay, so we split up the first bracket, and we're going to multiply 3x by x minus 7 and plus 5 by x minus 7. So then you're going to multiply these parts out. So 3x is attached to this bracket here. 3x is attached to this bracket by multiplication. Okay, what that tells us is that you're going to multiply 3x by x, and then you're going to multiply 3x by minus 7. Alright, 3x by x and 3x by minus 7. And then we're going to come along and multiply plus 5 by x and plus 5 by minus 7. Okay, so we'll just start that process. So first thing is 3x multiplied by x. So 3x multiplied by x is 3x squared. 3x multiplied by minus 7 is minus 21x. Now on to the second part. Plus 5 by x is plus 5x, and plus 5 by minus 7 is minus 35. Okay, so next step then is you're going to look and see what are my like terms. Like terms are terms basically that have the same term, so x squareds. So are there any, in this case here, are there any other x squared terms? Alright, these two in the middle have x's, but they're missing the squared. So there's no other x squared term. So what we do then is we just say, okay, there's no other x squared term, so just 3x squared. Alright, next one is x's. How many x terms do we have? Well, if you look here, we have minus 21x and we have plus 5x. So minus 21x plus 5x is minus 16x. Alright, and then minus 35, there's no other constant, as in a number that doesn't have a variable attached to it, so minus 35 is the last thing we write down. Alright, so we have the x squared, 3x squared, minus 16x, minus 35. So basically what we ended up with there is a quadratic trinomial. And that's how you multiply or expand brackets.